What's happening, you guys? Some more tips on working with this upper left actuator. The one that is, to the left of your stack. If you see where the light is shining right there, that black thing there, and then the arm is, actually already inserted. There's just not much room to work with. So, a couple things you have to do. I had to use the butt of a screwdriver to prop up the black ductwork that you see up along there, because that really hinders your ability to put your hands in there and do anything. So you have to prop it up with the screwdriver and prop it up with something else, whatever you can find. And then with your little 1/4 inch ratchet, as you can see this guy here, you need one swivel in the center, which is right there, then a few extensions, so that you can actually get more than one click of ratcheting at a time. So you can see it's already, hold on there. See, I've got the little socket on the screw, but that one swivel gives you a lot more clearance so that you can actually move your freaking ratchet. Anyway, that's the trick that I found to make this easier. Get the ductwork out of the way with a screwdriver. I mean, it's a rather hack job, but whatever. It's not impossible. And make sure that the actuator is inserted properly. Make sure everything is in nice and solid. Because if you don't put it in nice and square and tight and everything, it will start to click and make all kinds of noise when you start using it. Anywho, that's the upper left actuator to the left side of your stack on your Mustang, 2005 to 2009, and possibly even all the way up to 2014. This may be good for, as well as possibly some other Ford models, and who knows, maybe other brands too. Anywho, check out my other videos, doing all kinds of work to this car, so check it out. We're always up to something. See y'all later.